Today at Coyote Classics, we're checking out and test driving this 1967 Mustang Coupe. Show quality Mustang, gorgeous paint, nice interior, nice chrome and brightwork. And a good sound and dual exhaust.
The seat belt light even works on it.
Yeah, it's a nice car. Love the wheels, love the color.
It's got gorgeous paint, and we'll kind of get to that when we go around it. Beautiful paint on the bottom side of the hood. Just pretty much a bone stock, little 302 in it, power steering.
When you look at like the top of the inner fenders, just even the paint on that's just gloss black. Very nicely done. There's your original VIN, factory C code, so factory V8 car.
Yeah, they did a great job on it as far as the paint. Engine runs nice and smooth, stock radiator. Everywhere you go around on the paint, it still looks wet. Even on the interior door panels, it's amazing. Horse and corral, front bumper, all that stuff was replaced during restoration. Hood gap's beautiful all the way, nice and even, all the way up to the cowl. The back of the hood fits the cowl perfectly. Really good hood gap. Great looking rims. Like I said, brand new rims, 225. 45 17s on the front. Does have the wheel well trim, rocker molding. Looks like that's been added brand new when it was painted as well. Body lines excellent right there on the top of the fender, top of the hood, all lines up great. Again, laser straight. Bottom of the door lines up excellent there and behind.
It's got a really nice stance too, perfect tire size.
It does. I really like it a lot. Just got the four-wheel drum brakes, but again, like you said, great paint. Just a little smear right there. Paint is excellent on the passenger side. Don't see any issues anywhere. Over the wheel well is great. Like I said, that bottom of that door fits in there nicely.
And just all the chrome and brightwork has a really nice shine.
And here's what I love. I mean, just the quality. I don't even know if it's going to show in the video. You almost got to see this one in person, but the quality of the paint on the inside of the doors and the jambs, rust-free door right here. They used a ton of paint on this car, didn't they?
Yeah, they did. It all just looks like, you know, there's a difference in quality and finish with paint, obviously, and this is just very high quality.
Definitely,
job.
even in all the door jambs. I mean, as you look here, I mean, every piece of this, you can just tell was stripped to bare metal. Door panels, everything in interior-wise, seat covers, dash pad, dash applique, everything's new. Steering wheel's all correct and new. Chrome bezels there is new. The only ain't new is the dome light cover, the $4 dome light cover, but probably should have replaced that. That does need to be replaced, but the headliner is perfect. No wrinkles, visors are nice. Seat covers, back seat, front seat are really nice as well. It's got the correct retractable seat belts in the front. Dual exhaust comes out nice. If a guy wants to cut them back just a little bit and add some chrome tips, you could, but it comes out just like I'd want it to. Every piece of chrome, it looks like, is brand new. All the tail light lenses, reverse light lenses, chrome around them, gas lid. This car's gonna win some shows.
Oh, absolutely. And this is a car that I would personally love to have just because it's got the really nice paint and body interior. The car doesn't really need anything, but it's one where, like, if a guy wants to do a couple little things and kind of make it your own, like some chrome tips or, you know.
What else would you do with it, D?
If it was mine, I don't really know. I'd probably put a Bluetooth radio in it, or I don't know, just whatever you kind of think of, because it doesn't need anything, so you can just have fun with it and and make it your own that way. You don't have to spend money on anything else.
Yeah, it's got a nice back shelf with a couple speakers done very tastefully there. Over the wheel well is great. Is that buffing compound? Yeah, it's got the only chip I've seen, unless that's tape. That's tape there. So yeah, looks like they might have a little buffing compound right in that little spot. I thought it was a chip, but it's not. There's your door. How nice that is. Bottom of the fender. Whoever gapped this, when they painted it, they not only put a gorgeous paint job, they gapped it beautifully as well. Looks like it originally was a white car, color code M. Obviously they stripped it, and look at that bottom of that door. I don't know if you know this, D, but these new steering wheels are the original steering wheels. You can't even get that. You can get the steering wheel, but you can't get any of this horn applique right now.
Really?
It's all out of stock from everywhere. And Mustang parts are so readily available as well. But you can't get it. I tried everywhere.
Good thing this one's got it and it's nice.
Exactly. I love a 1967 Mustang steering wheel. Again, that jam is gorgeous. Does have a remote mirror, and that works. There we go. Perfect. Dash pad's really nice. It's got glass pack mufflers on it. Nice exhaust, but glass packs. You know, again, personal preference. A guy like that sound, right?
Oh, yeah. I think it sounds great.
It's a 70s sound.
Oh, yeah.
26,000 miles on the odometer. Wipers work. Oil pressure gauge works. Alternator gauge works. Gas gauge works. Heater fan works. We'll check out the temp once we get going. And this is a Spark-O-Matic, man.
There you go.
1982 Spark-O-Matic radio, fresh out of Pomida or Kmart, and it works.
That's awesome.
Pretty funny, huh? Seatbelt light works. Let's see if I can move it. It's on anyway. I suppose you got to be on too.
Oh.
Try it. Just pull yours out just to see. It's flickering.
There it is.
False
Negatory.
alarm.
False alarm.
It's on though. All new shifter bushings. They're nice and tight as well. Power steering is awesome. Another thing, ask your salesman that you're talking to if they want the seat moved back. On any Mustang, Chevelle, Camaro, if you're a bigger guy, just ask your salesman. We'll definitely do it for you. We'll pull the seat, make new brackets, and put it on there. So
absolutely, it
we
helps.
want you comfortable.
Yeah, I know myself. I'd say, you know, if you're 6'2",
You want to do
and up,
that.
you want to do
I mean,
that.
this ain't bad, but if I was, you know, if this was my car, I'd put the seat back in.
For sure.
Man, what a tight. You're right. This is a tight car.
It
Dalton.
is very nice.
Again, it looks nice out here, the weather, but it's still a little
Like
chilly.
34
It's
degrees.
Yeah. Brakes are excellent. Now those are drum, and that pedal is way up top. So we got a great pedal of brakes.
Just all the dash applique and stuff. Just really finishes off the interior nice.
And inside the car is nice and quiet too. It's got a nice exhaust.
And how about the headliner? It's something that's easily skipped over, but how nice is that? And it's headliners are so hard. If a guy wants to replace one,
Yeah.
you know, they never really turn out very good.
And I don't know how long ago this was restored, but if a guy's gonna restore it, if this was restored to this quality in the last couple of years, you're spending 40 grand plus.
Oh yeah.
You know, by the time you
Absolutely.
strip it, paint, interior,
Yeah.
I should say at least 30 plus.
Yeah.
Transmission shifts good. Their kick down worked good right there. Again, we'll kick it down. The old glass packs are rumbling.
I like it. Awesome Mustang.
That's 65 mile an hour right there. Steering wheel's perfectly straight. Nice tight suspension. I don't hear any squeaks or rattles or nothing. It's a nice car.
Very nice. Turn signal indicators work in the dash.
Yeah, that's a good one. It's a really, really good car.
No tire rub either. So we talked earlier about the stance and the tire size. You know, sharp turn there, no tire rub.
These are some 225, 45, 17s in the front. So if you guys want to make your car look cocky like this one and don't rub, that's what we got.
Kickdown works, good power.
It is. I mentioned that it's a 302. I think I checked the check-in and it was a 302, but you know, 67, 289 302s. It could have been the white one was a 302. This could be a 289. So
this might be. I know the white one's a 302.
Yeah, this was probably a 289. It's kind of right in that change year, late 67, early 68.
Check this thing out on the website, coyoteclassics.com. There's your brakes one more time.
Oh, I gotta stop you. Temperature gauge did come up. It is working.
Perfect.
So
temp gauge works too.
Every gauge works. Everything works.
Great Mustang. As I said, check it out on the site, coyoteclassics.com. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you never miss another one of our cars. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.